Check it out, boys. Lesson, pal. Working on the little 8 Mile style mobile home makeover here, pal. This style of mobile home, there's no overhang, there's no soffit area, so your roof line runs right into your wall line. Previous roof leak had the fascia board on this sucker dog rotten like an apple, pal. The big apple. No question there, buddy. I'm gonna build this fascia down, give it a wider face, and hang a gutter on it, get some real slope on this bad dog this time. In order to tie her siding up into her, you already know it, pal. One piece fascia with the built-in J channel, boys. Let's do it. See, we got that top edge hem just for a little strength. That J channel, 1 inch face, 3/4 of an inch deep, pal. Just like your prom date, Bubsky. Run over, go full Hogan on it, slam her down, pal. There you have her, boys. Fresher than Mr. Clean's forehead, pal. The spritz of Febreze on it. Anyways, boys, you can see we're getting a little sky moisture here there, Bubsky. Gonna grab my poncho, get back to work. Here you are.